Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. There are two slight risk areas for tomorrow. One covering South Central Arizona, another slight tomorrow covers East Central Georgia, most of South Carolina, and South Central North Carolina. Cities in tomorrow's slights include Phoenix, Arizona, Charlotte, North Carolina, Tucson, Arizona, Mesa, Arizona, and Glendale, Arizona. And there are three marginals tomorrow. One covers parts of Arizona, and another covers southeastern New Mexico, much of Texas, southern Oklahoma, southern Arkansas, northern half of Louisiana, most of Mississippi, parts of the Florida Panhandle, northern Florida, most of Alabama, most of Georgia, southeastern Tennessee, northwestern and far southeastern South Carolina, and parts of North Carolina. And the third marginal tomorrow covers northeastern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, and the UP of Upper Michigan, as well as a tiny bit of north central Michigan. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include Dallas, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Fort Worth, Arizona, Atlanta, Georgia, and Arlington, Texas. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses north central Wisconsin, or northeastern Wisconsin, I should say, and the western part of the UP of Upper Michigan. The 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Walsall, Wisconsin, Western Wisconsin, Marinette, Wisconsin, and Merrill, Wisconsin. Okay? So within this area, there could be a brief EF0, maybe EF1 tornado in this area. Going to the wind for tomorrow, there are two areas where we have 15% wind risk areas. One covers South Central Arizona, and another covers East Central Georgia, most of South Carolina, and southern North Carolina. The 15% wind risk areas tomorrow include Phoenix, Arizona, Charlotte, North Carolina, Tucson, Arizona, Mesa, Arizona, and Glendale, Arizona. And there are three areas where we have 5% wind risk areas for tomorrow. One covering parts of Arizona, a second one covering southeastern New Mexico, parts of Texas, southern Oklahoma, southern Arkansas, northern half of Louisiana, most of Mississippi, most of Alabama, parts of the Florida Panhandle, northern Florida, most of Georgia, the coastal South Carolina, northwestern South Carolina too, southeastern Tennessee, and parts of North Carolina. And the third 5% tomorrow covers northeastern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, far north central Michigan, and the UP of Upper Michigan. The 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Fort Worth, Texas, Atlanta, Georgia, and Arlington, Texas. So, within all the wind risk areas, I think, there could be wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour in the wind risk area. So, I would think the 5% areas have the highest potential for 60 to 65 mile per hour wind gusts, and the 15% wind risk areas could see 65 to 70 miles an hour. Alright, wind gusts. Now for the hail risk for tomorrow, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, covering northeastern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, a tiny bit of north central Michigan, and the UP of Upper Michigan. The 5% hail risk area tomorrow includes Walsall, Michigan, Marquette, Michigan, Escanaba, Michigan, however it's pronounced, Marinette, Wisconsin, and Siloamico, Wisconsin. And some of these cities are just hard to pronounce. So within this area, there could be hail of 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter tomorrow. Alright? So, in summary, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging wind damage will be possible across much of the southeast on Sunday, with the greatest potential across South Carolina. Additional strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible across portions of Arizona late Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. So, that is your Day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Whether you're in the slight or the marginal, since you never know if those can pull off. take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Take care.